How to find your Windows password. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Control Panel. Then click on View by Category. Make sure you turn that into Large Icons. After you turn that into Large Icons, you'll find Credential Manager. Click on Credential Manager. And if you have any restored password, you'll find Windows Credential option. As you can see, Windows Credential, you'll find all the password in here. If you don't have it, you can simply click on Windows Credential and click on Backup Credential, and all your password will be in here. And that's how you find your Windows password. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.